Right, we're going to strip this bike down for the parts bins and see what bits we get from it. So, what are we left with? We got nice saddle. No rips in it, surprisingly. Seat post, useful. Nice chunky jump stem. Pair of cool pedals. Chunky set of cranks. Debrand them and respray them, they'll look good. Steel riser bars. Need a respray, but they'll be usable. Clark's mechanical disc caliper and box standard lever. Single speed chain tensioner. Seat clamp. DMR jump rim on an XT hub, sweet wheel. And a Mavic rim on a Quando front hub. It's an alright rim as well, alright wheel, sorry. And a little stem bolt. So the only things I'm going to throw is going to be these forks because they're knackered. The stanchions are destroyed, so they're for the bin. And the frame, I'm not going to throw it, I don't think, but probably won't keep it. Cheers.